suitable algebraic identity. If we have to find out the product of x plus 5 and x plus 4 or x plus 5 x minus 4, here it is plus sign, both are positive, it is also plus, it is plus, it is negative, it is negative, it is plus, and both these are negative. So we will use in all these product identity x plus a, x plus b. What is the product of x plus a, x plus b? Whole square of the first plus a plus b multiplied with x and plus third term product of these two constant terms. In all these we will use this identity. What is the first term? X. So we will write whole square of first, which is x, plus what is a? A is plus 5. What is b? It is plus 4. Multiply with x plus 5 multiplied by 4. What is the answer? X raised to power 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 9, it is also plus 9 multiply with x, 9x, and plus 5 4s are 20. Now it is the answer. Now in this example, a is positive and b is negative. First term is x. We will write here x whole square plus what is the a? 5. What is the b? Minus 4. Multiply with x and plus 5 multiply with minus 4. Write minus 4 in bracket. Now we will solve. It is x square plus 5 minus 4 is plus 1. Now we will write plus x. No need to write 1x, only x. X means 1x. And it is 5 multiplied by minus 4. It is negative, minus 20. Now it is the answer. In third, now a is negative and b is positive. Whole square of the first plus, now a is negative, minus 5 plus b is positive, multiply with x plus minus 5 multiply with 4. Now we will solve. It is x square. Now minus 5 and plus 4 is minus 1. It is minus x and it is minus 20. Now it is the answer. In first, in second, in third, now write 4. Now a is negative, b is also negative. We will write first same whole square of the first plus, now a is negative and b is also negative, multiply with x plus minus 5 multiply by minus 4. Now we will solve. It is x square. Minus 5 and minus 4 is minus 9. We will write here minus 9x. When we multiply minus 5 with minus 4, we will get plus 20. So it is the answer. I hope these questions will be clear to you. Now we will take some more examples. Find the product by using suitable identity. If we have find out the product of 105 multiplied by 104 or 105 multiplied by 96, when we have to find out 203 multiplied by 198 If the first term is same, we can use always the identity x plus a and x plus b. X plus a, x plus b. Whole square of the first plus a plus b multiply with x plus a. First of all, you have to write first term should be the same. 105 is 100 plus 5 and 96 is 100 minus 4. First term is the same. So try to make first term should be the same. Now you can use this identity, otherwise not. Now 100 plus 5, 100 minus 4 is equal. What is the first? 100. Whole square of the first plus. Here it is plus sign. You have to write out also plus sign. What is the A? A is plus 5. What is the B? Minus 4. Multiply by 100. First is 100. Here first is x. Multiply with 100 plus 5 multiply by minus 4. It is 10,000 plus 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 multiplied by 100 is 100 and minus 20. Now you have to solve. It is 80. You have to add 80 in this. So it is the answer. 10,080. If you have find the multiply with 37, multiply with 35, you can write 37 is 30 plus 7, 35 is 30 plus 5. First term is the same. Now you can find the product by using identity x plus a, x plus b. Now first term is 30, whole square of the 30 plus what is the A? A is 7, 7 plus 5 multiply by now 30 plus 7 multiply by 5. 1 0, write down 2 0, square of 3 is 900 plus it is 12, 7 plus 5 is 12, 12 multiply by 30 is 360, 1 0, 12, 3s are 36 plus 35. Now you have to add these three terms, 1's place 5, 0 and 0, 5, 3 and 6, 9, 9 and 0, 9. Now it is 3, 3 and 9, 12. It is the answer. 1290. Next example. If you have find out the product of x minus 3 by 5, you can read here x square minus 3 by 5, x square minus 1 by 2. Apply this identity. Now first term is x square. A is minus 3 by 5, B is also minus 2, 1 by 2. We will use same identity, whole square of the first. What is the first? X square. Whole square of the first plus A is minus 3 by 5, B is minus 1 by 2, multiply by first and plus minus 3 by 5 multiply by minus 1 by 2. Now you have to solve. X raised to power whole square is x raised to power 4 plus. Now you have to take LCM here. LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. Divided by 5 is 2. 2 multiply with minus 3 is minus 6. And minus 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 ones are 5. And plus, when we multiply these two, negative multiplied by negative will be positive. 3 ones are 3. 5 twos are 10. It is x raised to power 4. Now minus 6 and minus 5, minus 11 by 10, x raised to power 2 plus 3 by 10. Same, we used this identity. Here first term is x square. Now whole square of the first. Here you write down the first term, x square, and product of these AB. A is negative and B is also negative. Thank you.